Okay, today we're going to be taking a look at Phillip. This is going to be an unboxing and changing of the batteries for Thomas the Train, Trackmaster, Phillip. This is part of the Trackmaster series. These are from last year, 2015. And we're going to get started right now. Pop them open and put a battery. Get my knife out. Like I was saying on the last video, I like this new packaging because the kids can take it out of the box and they can put it back in the box. So it might be good to save the boxes for them. It keeps them clean and dust free. And if they want to have it as a collection, it'll be nice to have it in the box. Okay. So Phillip is pretty cool. I'm liking Phillip. This is different than the rest. Different face, different body. You got a Blue Mountain Quarry train here and a BMO train with another insert. These are easily lost, but that's okay. So we're just going to unhook Phillip right now. And then we're going to see if we can put a battery in him. Let's get rid of this. Open it up. Lift it off. And we can see it takes 2 AAAs, like the last one. Got some AAAs here. And pop them in. Make sure it works. Pretty cool. Works. So now we're going to put them back together. No messing around here. So we're going to put this tab here into the hole here, like this. See how that is? And screw it back down. Remember not to over tighten it. I can fill it. I like this one. Pretty cool. Very classic. Okay. Now we're going to hook him back up. And we're just going to box him back up so when we give it to the kids, they'll already have batteries in them. You don't have to play around with that. And it's safe to do that. You can see even the lever has its own little spot, so it's impossible for it to go on by accident. And that's pretty good. Now we're going to box this back up so we can give them for kids for gifts for Christmas. See, now if this was one of those bubble wrap things, you couldn't even do this. You just have to throw it out. So I'm really liking the new packaging. Thanks Fisher Price. So that's Thomas the Train, Trackmaster, Phillip. Okay, thanks for watching everybody, and I'll see you in the next video.